Namaskar friends, keep learning with Export Import Make in India campaign. And today in the session we will understand import transport after the custom clearance. Okay, when we complete the custom clearance, we require the transport, okay, to move the goods from the seaport to the destination. Okay, for this what we have to do as the process of the import shipments, the movement of the goods, when custom clearance process done, then after the duty payment these shipments will out of charge, means we can we can get this consignment from the custom, okay, after taking the payments. Okay, so what is the procedure? We need to appoint the transport, so that we can deliver the goods. Before assigning the transport, we need to negotiate the transport charges. So what is the factor which impact the transport charges are varied, which is the volume of the cargo. Second is the distance from the seaport to the destination. Okay, behalf of these two factor, we can take rate from the different transporter. Okay, and we need to check out this rate. Okay, and after the check out which is one is the best for that cost level and service level, we need to appoint with help of the management approval. Okay, so in this way, once we appoint any transporter need to prepare the e-way bill. Okay, so we need to ask the detail of transporter like a GST number and company name. Also need to be check out on which CFS location this consignment is kept, and these goods need to move from this CFS to at location. So both address need to be shared with this e-way bill. Okay, so after this process, when we prepare the e-way bill, this consignments and coordination of this consignment with the transport need to move from the CFS to the destination. Okay, so this is the process in which the multiple containers can be moved from the sea port to the destination. Okay, so when these goods are dispatched and departure from this CFS, the transporter will share the details in this format. Okay, so this is a very important format by which you can track your shipments. Okay, so first in this serial number, second is the below entry date, below entry number, below entry date, from which CFS these goods have been picked up, and two, the way at which locations this good will be delivered. Okay, then transporter company name, importer company name. Transporter is the company who is arranging the transport, and the importer who is the importing the goods. Okay, so these both detail company name need to mention. After that, the vehicle number, gadi number. Okay, so need to mention the vehicle number. Okay, and the type of vehicle. Okay, what kind of type, like 20 feet container, 40 feet container, or other small vehicle. Okay, so type of vehicle also need to mention. Then the contact number of the driver also need to mention. After that, GPS locations. Okay, by this location, this GPS link, you can track what is the actual location of the shipment, because sometime we need the urgent cargo, so we have to intimate to the our upper level at where these containers, and on which date this container will reach at our destination. Okay, so guys, in this session we have tried to understand what is the procedures of the transport appointment after the custom clearance in the import. So guys, thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.